How to install the dual cable on the Nexus aftermarket concentric search coil. The coils are supplied with a dual cable and switch box, which switches between maximum depth and hot ground mode. For proper operation of the cables, they need to be installed on the lower shaft, approximately 10 inches from the coil, to the first attachment point. Furthermore, it is the user's choice how many more attachments to apply. These cables have 2 attachments, which appears to be sufficient. Another important factor is the position of the cables to the coil. It should be, as demonstrated. Keeping the coil cables in this position will ensure long-term use, without cable failure.